Welcome. I invite you to lay down on your bed or on the floor at the end of your day. And once you've settled in, gently close your eyes. Try to focus your attention on the moment. Feel your mind empty all the thoughts while you slowly breathe in and out. If your mind is not fully relaxed, if you feel that there are some thoughts still circling around, acknowledge them and then give yourself permission to let them go. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4. Hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4. Hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. One more time. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4. Hold for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds. Now slowly return to your regular breathing pattern. Now, imagine you're standing in an alpine meadow. Everything is peaceful here. The air around you is clean and fresh. The sky is bright blue. The sun just rising in the east, bathing your face with its warm rays. As you're barefoot, you can feel the coldness of the grass between your toes, the dew making them wet. There's a group of rocks nearby. As you slowly walk there to have a seat, look around you as the sun is rising over the mountains. All your eyes can see is a sea of green with some trees in the distance. On your right, you notice a patch of wildflowers, their scent coloring the air as they open in the shining sunlight. There are every colors of the rainbow, dazzling you with their beauty. You take one in your hands, small and fragile, but at the same time, so strong and resilient. Let yourself touch it. Feel how smooth its petals are, how soft its leaves are. Now look in the other direction. You can see a stream running through the meadow, its water crisscrossing the grass, reflecting the light. Many wild animals are drinking on its banks, but you feel safe here, so you keep watching them. This view fills you with wonder and awe Everything is perfect and peaceful. You are safe here, sheltered and protected. Stay in this moment, breathing in and out deeply. Breathing in the peacefulness, breathing out the negative emotions. And again, breathing in the peacefulness, breathing out the negative emotions. When you feel calm and relaxed, bring your focus back to the meadow. Now that the sun is high in the sky, you notice that there is a mountain in front of you. Its summit barely visible through the clouds. It looks large and forbidding. No tree is growing on this mountain, nor flower or bush. All you see is a gray rock, sharp edges, and crevices full of snow. There are other mountains in the distance, but this one is the highest and most intimidating. You decide to confront your dread and take the path that leads directly there. See yourself walk on the mossy rocks, your feet slipping here and there, the flowers and the grass disappearing. You can feel the harshness of the ground under your feet, the pebbles between your toes. The stream is now behind you, the animals long forgotten. You are calm and determined to follow this path. You feel it is the right thing to do. Above your head, a bird is flying. Try to see it, visualize it in your head. Notice that the sun is disappearing behind the clouds, and the air is getting colder as you get nearer to the mountain. There is a forest ahead, the last landmark before the climb. You enter and you feel the warmth in the air, the scent of the trees, the way they bend their branches over your head. You let yourself touch one of them, feeling the bark under your fingers, embracing its trunk to create a connection. You can see the roots going deeper and deeper into the ground, making a strong and stable and unshakable presence. Stay in this moment, breathing in and out deeply 3 times while you enjoy this feeling. Breathing in the strength, breathing out the fear. breathing in the strength, breathing out the fear. One more time, breathing in the strength, breathing out the fear. Resume your path to the mountain. You are focused on getting there. Nothing else is important right now. When you arrive, stop for a moment and let yourself see it. The high peaks, the snow, the steep and narrow path ascending its sides. See the bird flying above you. See it landing on a nearby tree. Watch it as it's watching you. Take your shoes and your jacket from your pack. Put them on and see yourself taking the first step. The path crisscrosses the mountain, climbing higher and higher as you go. The sun is still hidden behind the clouds, the air cold on your face. With every step you take towards the summit, you feel your body respond to the challenge, adapting to the situation. It is a hard climb. Feel your muscles aching. But every moment you are closer to the top. Look around you. See that the bird is still watching you, that you are not alone on this. Notice that all the things you're dreading from afar now seems to have a purpose. The jagged rocks that let the water run towards the meadow, feeding the stream and all the animals. The snow covering and sheltering all the tiny flowers that you could not see from a distance, allowing them to grow even in this hard environment. The crevices harboring and protecting the animals living on the mountain from the cold and the wind. Stay in this moment, breathing in and out deeply 3 times while you enjoy this feeling. Breathing in the resilience, breathing out the worry. Breathing in the resilience, breathing out the worry. One more time. Breathing in the resilience, breathing out the worry. Now, you take the last few steps, and as you find yourself with your head above the clouds, on the top of the mountain, feel the quietness and the rootedness of the mountain under your feet. See how immutable it is, remaining still in every weather year after year, offering comfort and shelter, but never changing its nature. Breathe in the calm and stillness. Breathe out the fear and anxieties. Now, listen to the words as I say them. Feel them in your body and repeat them in your mind. I am the mountain. I am strong and grounded. I am still and calm. I know my purpose. Now, try to return your focus to your breathing. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 4. Hold for 7 seconds. And exhale for 8 seconds. Breathe now in and out, slowly and regularly. Start feeling your heartbeat again. Regain the awareness of your body, starting with your feet, then your legs, back, belly, arms, hands, face, and head. Feel the support under your body. Keep breathing, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. After a few moments, stand up, stretch every part of your body, and gently stamp your feet to the ground. Feel the peace of feeling more grounded, and may you have a wonderful day or night. Namaste.